Ways to make traveling stress-free. Download time and money-saving travel apps. Skyscanner allows you to enter the dates and location of your trip and alerts you when the price drops. The SuperShuttle app is the fastest and easiest mode for booking a ride to or from the airport. SuperShuttle offers different riding options, perfect for traveling alone, with your family, or in a large group. Manage your money. Travel credit cards have the ability to save you a lot of money for your travels. Some cards offer priority airplane boarding, hotel room upgrades, rental car insurance, or many other perks. Put a notice on your credit cards. Call your bank and alert them where and when you're traveling so that you can access funds seamlessly and prevent your accounts from being frozen. Pack smart. There are many elements to consider, like the length of your trip, your itinerary, the size of your luggage, and airline weight limits. For stress-free packing, keep a basic checklist of everyday essentials. Also, make sure you check the weather before you start packing. Take the stress out of traveling. Book a ride with SuperShuttle.